Excellent. Well, I know you mentioned earlier that you did a little bit of back and forth with USADA and taking those tests. I wonder how much of a role, if any, did their involvement play at all in you deciding to look elsewhere outside of the UFC?
It didn't have anything to do with it. Now, if I would have got flagged by USADA, Coker's not talking to me either, and I get it. I would be toxic. I don't like those things I did. They embarrass me. I steer into it sometimes with basically and all that kind of stuff. The truth is, man, that stuff embarrasses me. It was a different world with different times and different. It just was. You got to change with those times, or you're outside of the line. And I was outside of the line. I should have been suspended. I was. I did my time, but I can tell you, I'm not going back. And Scott had said earlier that he didn't really want to talk about the contract, so I'm hesitant to offer this, but allow me to anyway. If I was to fairly test under my Bellator contract, it will cost me 100% of my purse and $500,000. That is in writing. Now, I understand for you guys, that's not as good as a clean test, but boy, that's got to mean something. If you think I didn't read that part of it before I signed it, I did.
Wow, so was that a caveat that Bellator insisted upon putting in there to sign you?
Was that question for me or to Scott? I thought you said to Scott, but I'll answer, man. I have no idea. All I know is I don't know if that was unique to me or if that was boilerplate and everybody's got. I don't know, but I saw that. That's before you deal with your commission issues and everything else. But it was right off the top. Full purse, $500,000. That's just to Bellator. That's before we start dealing with commission. So, and again, I don't know if that was boilerplate or if they set that aside for me, but I'm on the other side of the tracks now. And I still look, you wouldn't believe it if you saw, I've still got the biggest arms in the business.